Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you some secret things about Xiaomi Mobile Hyper OS. This operating system has recently been launched in Xiaomi mobiles, MI mobiles, and I'm quickly going to tell you three more things that can be used by you and can be more beneficial in daily use to diagnose something, to know your mobile deeper. So not wasting much of your time, let us go straight to the topic. First thing, just go here and search setting. Here, either you can go to the setting by this way. This is the setting. In the setting, very first thing is about phone. Just go to the about phone, and here you will see Xiaomi Hyper OS. Okay, if you want to see the updates, just click here. It will check, and either you can check from here. You will know the recent updates which Xiaomi has launched. The second thing, here OS version and Android version is there. If you are tapping it 7-8 times, see what will happen. You are now one step away from being a developer. You are now a developer. Now I am a developer, and developer options is now being activated in my MI mobile. How I can check that? I will go to the setting, and here I will go below an additional setting. Here just go, and developer option is here. To turn off this option, just turn it off. Now you will not see any option here. Not then now again we will go to the about phone. The second option is Android version. If we are tapping it 2-3 times, see here you can see what is your Android version. This can be only your for your knowing, for your knowledge. In detail info and specs, you can see the RAM, OS version, Android version, model, broadband. Kernel version is here. So if you tap it 5-6 times, this screen will open, and this is the very important screen in your MI mobile. You can diagnose many things: vibration test, keyboard test, notification light, touch sensor test. Suppose touch sensor test. Now here, by touching, if it is like that, yes, now it is okay. So I will go back. So now internal storage is here. Just tap it 3-4 times. Now phone information 1. If you have 2 sims, all thing about your phone will come here. I will show you. I will tap here, and after tapping it, you can see Wi-Fi information also you can track from here. So here you will find some safety information. You must read all safety information before using your phone. Okay, many safety informations are there. Status, this is also an important. Here you can find out by how much time your mobile is switched on. Means suppose you have switched off. I have switched off around 12 o'clock, and now you can see uptime is 5:15. IP address of your mobile, model. Here you if you will tap MI number, SIM status, everything will show here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.